Hey there, Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a harmonica. So we're going to have to start with the front part. This is where you're going to blow into the holes. So we want a nice long bit like that. And then we're going to draw a thin line that way and a thin line that way. Draw in a bit there like that. And then we want to draw two little up and down lines all the way along. Now this isn't going to be completely accurate. If you're a harmonica player, you're going to be saying, we need a few more holes or a few less holes or something, but this is roughly about right. And then we'll go back like that. It's a little kind of tick backwards. So that these are the holes through which you blow, okay? And so then that can go back and up like that. Now we want to draw two, this is going to come back a little bit, and then we're going to see this sort of coming there like that, and that's going to want to sweep up and sweep down there like that. This is then going to come around and around, and we've got two little nails holding it down. So this is a metal bit on top, and that's going to go up like this, exactly the same, and sweep across the top. And then it will come down there, and then we want two little bits with nails on the other side. It's all a bit complicated, isn't it? And then that's going to be going across there like that too. And then we want something very similar on the bottom that's going to be going up like that and like that and back, and then that needs to finish off around the back there. This is going to be quite dark under here, like that, and we're going to want to have kind of dark little bits like that inside as well at an angle. And then this will come back and go back to there too. Across the top here, we're going to have sort of engraving like that with the name of the maker. We'll call them C# something like that. And there you go, how to draw a harmonica. It wasn't too easy, was it? Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Really Easy. Click that button and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.